Hey entrepreneurs, Abubakar here. Ready to take your business to the next level? It's not just behind your desk. It's about getting out there, hustling, and connecting with the right people. Today, I'm revealing 10 places that'll supercharge your business growth. Let's dive in. And yes, I'm saving the best for last. First up, networking events. These aren't about awkward small talk and stale cheese cubes. It's about surrounding yourself with ambitious, driven individuals. Where else can you shake hands with CEOs, pitch ideas to investors, and connect with future partners? Pro tip: target niche events in your industry. Find the events where your ideal clients and collaborators hang out. The key here is to be genuine. Connect with people, listen to their stories, and offer value. Just show up, be yourself, and watch the magic happen. Number 2 is co-working spaces. These hubs are buzzing with energy, creativity, and endless possibilities. Imagine a place where you're surrounded by freelancers, entrepreneurs, and remote workers. It's not just about the cool vibes and free coffee. It's about the organic connections you make every single day. Your next business partner or a potential investor could be just a conversation away. People are open, approachable, and always willing to share their experiences. Co-working spaces often host workshops, events, and talks. Immerse yourself in a community of like-minded individuals. Let's talk industry conferences. These are the big leagues where you can rub shoulders with the best in the business. We're talking keynote speeches, workshops, and networking opportunities. Print out those business cards, perfect your elevator pitch, and strike up conversations. Everyone's there to learn, connect, and grow. Speaking at a conference boosts your credibility and positions you as a thought leader. Conferences are an investment, but the ROI can be astronomical. Get ready to soak up the knowledge and connections that await. Let's talk about building a strong foundation in your own backyard. Number 4 is local business associations. These are the unsung heroes of the business world, offering resources, support, and connections. Joining your local chamber of commerce or industry-specific groups connects you with experienced individuals. These associations are all about collaboration over competition. Many offer workshops, mentorship programs, and access to grants and funding opportunities. Tap into the collective wisdom and support of your community. Personal interactions at trade shows can lead to long-lasting business relationships. Trade shows are a goldmine for building your email list and gathering market research. The insights you gain here can shape your business strategy. Bring your energy and get ready to make some serious moves. The connections you make and the deals you close can propel your business to new heights. Number 6 is online communities. The digital world is a vast landscape of niche communities, forums, and groups. Whatever your industry, there's an online community dedicated to it. From Facebook groups to LinkedIn communities, the possibilities are endless. Engage, answer questions, share your expertise, and contribute valuable insights. Build relationships and watch as opportunities start flowing your way. Many online communities offer opportunities to connect offline as well. Log on, find your tribe, and watch your business grow. Number 7 is mentorship hubs. We all need guidance, especially in the early stages of our entrepreneurial journey. Navigating the complexities of starting and growing a business can be daunting, and having someone who has been through it all can make a world of difference. Mentorship hubs like SCORE offer free resources, advice, and support from experienced entrepreneurs. These hubs are treasure troves of knowledge, providing not just theoretical advice but practical, battle-tested strategies that have worked in the real world. These mentors have seen it all and are eager to share their knowledge. They bring a wealth of experience from various industries and can offer insights that you might not find in books or online courses. Whether you need help with your business plan, marketing strategy, or just a sounding board, a mentor can provide invaluable insights. They can help you avoid common pitfalls and steer you toward success with their seasoned advice. Early in my career, a mentor helped me save thousands of dollars and streamline my operations. Their guidance was not just about avoiding mistakes, but also about seizing opportunities that I might have overlooked. Their advice was instrumental in my early success. The confidence and clarity I gained from those mentorship sessions were invaluable, setting a strong foundation for my business. Find a mentor who aligns with your values and goals. Watch your business soar. The right mentor can be the catalyst that propels your business to new heights, helping you achieve milestones you once thought were out of reach. Number 8 is libraries and bookstores. Some of the most brilliant business strategies are hidden within those pages. Libraries and bookstores offer a wealth of knowledge on everything from marketing to leadership. And the best part? It's all free. Identify areas where you want to improve and seek out books by industry experts. Take notes, highlight key takeaways, and apply what you learn. Start a mastermind group to discuss books and share insights. The collective wisdom and support from these gatherings are invaluable. Number 9 is competitor locations. Your competitors are a goldmine of information. Visit their stores, analyze their websites, and observe their customer interactions. What are they doing well? What could they improve? Use their successes and failures as inspiration to refine your own strategies. Innovate and create a unique value proposition that sets you apart. Study your competition and use their insights to fuel your growth. Finally, the number 1 spot on our list, pop-up shops. These temporary retail spaces are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Pop-up shops offer the perfect opportunity to test new products and gather valuable customer feedback. They allow businesses to create a buzz and generate excitement around their brand. Imagine renting a small space for a weekend and creating an immersive brand experience. You can design the space to reflect your brand's personality and values, making a lasting impression on your customers. Customers get to interact with your brand firsthand and provide feedback. This direct interaction helps you understand their preferences and needs better. You get to connect with your customers face-to-face and gather invaluable insights. These insights can be used to refine your products and improve your overall customer experience. Pop-up shops are a game changer for launching new products or testing new markets. They provide a low-risk way to experiment and see what works best for your business. Find a space, get creative, and watch the magic happen. The flexibility of pop-up shops allows you to adapt quickly and make changes on the fly. They're a powerful tool for entrepreneurs looking to connect with their customers. By creating a memorable and engaging shopping experience, you can build strong relationships and foster brand loyalty. There you have it, entrepreneurs. 10 high-energy spots to skyrocket your business. Success comes from showing up, putting in the work, and connecting with the right people. So get out from behind your screens, hit the streets, and watch your business explode. Which spot are you hitting first? Drop a comment, smash that like button if you're pumped to grow, and subscribe for more game-changing hacks. See you next week.